Hello beauties, today is a beautiful day and it's warm and sunny and looking forward to going for a cute little day trip and seeing where we're gonna end up and take you guys along with. And I have the cutest outfit which I'll show you guys in a minute. Hold on. It's so cute. It's got like it's watercolor painted and it's such a vibe. Such a cute set from Me and B, of course. If it's not Me and B, it's Cotton On. If it's not Cotton On, I'm still finding my third shop that I vibe with, that I love, that gives me sizes and variety for us curvy girlies. Just a girl in front of a bunch of hydrangeas. I don't know what it is, but I'm like so tired, and I don't think this is like year-end fatigue. I don't know how to describe it, and like I'm finished. Like yesterday I was sleeping, today I like maybe I'm just like emotionally drained and emotionally just defeated and I'm so tired. Adulting is a lot of work, especially as you get older. Wow. And it is these moments I am glad I do not have children. Imagine being so defeated right now and then still having to mother. Like, women, we are strong. You mothers out there, you are strong. I can't imagine not being able to actually just like rest and sleep in, until people are like teenagers and they can do their own things. But I don't know what is going on, but I am tired, emotionally drained. Festive season is supposed to be about joy, happiness, but I'm not feeling none of that. Like, I'm just like, I just wanna sleep, sleep all day, mind my business and sleep all day. That is what I want right now. And anyway, I'm thinking of cutting my hair. And I'm looking forward to a new tattoo next year. It's gonna be so cute. But these hydrangeas are very, very cute. We're looking for the tea garden in this place, but I can't find it. Well, we can't find it. So I'm just here relaxing by hydrangeas.
So you're still thinking of me, just like I know you should. I cannot give you everything, you know I wish I.
Sitting in the balcony with the light. There's a rainbow.